So we are back again in the unit number 5. It's a big unit, so power screw we have finished. Next topic is the welding. So first we are going to start with the types of welding. What are the different types of welding that we are going to see here? So types of welding, let's see. There are two types of welding, major types, which we are going to study. It is butt joint and the fillet joint. Okay, I will take a highlighter here. Okay, yeah, the butt joint and the fillet joint. A butt joint can be defined as a joint between two components lying approximately the same plane. A butt joint connects the end of the two plates. Let's see this. This is the butt joint. It connects the end of the two plates. Okay, that's why it is a butt joint. A butt joint can be in this way: square butt joint, single butt joint, single U butt, double V, double U. Now what is this? So when the thickness of the plate is less than 5 mm, it is not necessary to bevel the edges of the plate. There is no preparation of the edges of the plates before welding. The edges are square with respect to the plates. Therefore, the joint is square butt joint. Okay, this is the definition of a square butt joint. Then, when the thickness is between 5 to 25 mm, at that time we need to prepare for this. The edges of two plates form a V shape now. So, therefore, the joint is called V joint or single weld V joint. When the thickness of the plate is more than 20 mm, okay, then thickness is more than 20 mm, the edges of the two plates are machined it and form a U shape here, just like this, and it is called single welded U joint. Same if it is more than 30 mm, double welded V joint is used, and if the thickness is more than 30 mm, then it is used. Now for the lap joint. Lap joint is what? It's the overlapping of the plates. There are three types of lap joint: single transverse fillet, double transverse fillet, and parallel fillet. This is the single transverse fillet. Now single transverse means what? Has the result that the edges of the plate which is not welded can buckle or wrap out of shape if the direction of the weld is perpendicular to the direction of the force acting on the joint. So in this way it is done. And double transverse is also same, means here and here this is single transverse. Double means what? We both the side we weld it. And for parallel fillet, in this a longitudinal type of welding has been done, direction of the forces. So this is the lap joint and the fillet joint. Okay. Now there are two types of cross section of fillet weld. One is the normal and the convex. Normal weld consists of one isosceles triangle having two equal sides, and convex weld requires more filler material and more lever because it's having a curved type, a round type of shape is here. Just see this. Okay, that's why. Therefore, normal weld is preferred over convex weld. Then, in addition to butt and fillet, there are some other types of weld joint which are shown. These are the T joint, corner joint, and edge joint. So T joint is a joint between two components located at 90-degree angle. Okay, and corner joint is a joint when two components which are at 90 right angle to each other in the form of an angle, and the adjacent edge are joined by means of a fillet weld. Okay, just you can see the fillet weld is there. Okay, and the edge joint is a joint of two or more parallel components as shown in figure. So this is how the types of welds are there. So, thank you.